Is your expensive iPhone Pro feeling slow? Even with the latest chip, your screen might be stuttering at half its actual speed without you even knowing it. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to unlock the full 120Hz power of your display to make everything feel buttery smooth. Now, this only works if you have a Pro model, specifically the 13 Pro and newer, or any model of the iPhone 17 and up. And if you notice your phone feels a bit laggy compared to the ones in the store, this is almost certainly the reason why. Let's fix it. Open your settings and scroll down to accessibility. Tap on motion and look all the way at the bottom for a toggle called limit frame rate. If this is on, your $1,000 phone is being forced to run at 60 Hz, the same speed as an iPhone from 10 years ago. Toggle this off. Immediately, iPhone will jump to 120 Hz, doubling the frames per second for every swipe, scroll, and animation. The difference is night and day. You'll see it most when scrolling through Twitter or gaming. Just remember, if you're in low power mode, your phone might throttle this back down to save juice. So keep an eye on that battery bar. If your screen feels faster now, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone secrets. Ever wonder how to turn off sleep focus on iPhone? Check out this video now.